Finally, my laptop is fixed, so now I can go on some websites. Oi Jimmy, come look at this!
Oh, those websites are disgusting!
What did you do this for, you stupid man? Oh crap, now I need a mechanic. Now I'm going to call the mechanic who is connected to the computer specialists.
Oh God, who is it? Hello, PC specialist, how can I help?
Oh hi, yes, my computer's broken again. Yeah, I know it took you 3 months to repair, but it wasn't my fault, honestly, it was my friend's. You'll do it for 10 grand? Thank you, honestly, this is really helpful. Alright, bye.
Yes, I'll be right over. I'll be there in 5. Bye.
You can come in now, the laptop's just over here.
Oh, hello there! Oh, is this the laptop here? Oh, water injury.
Yes, I know.
I think I know how to fix it.
Okay.
But we will need some tools first.
What tools?
A hammer and a crowbar.
I'll go get that.
Thank you.
Let's go grab those tools.
Thank you.
Hammer and a crowbar, as you suggested.
Can I please have the hammer, please?
Yes.
Thank you. And so I'll show you what to do. So first, I just need to check that it's right diagnostic tests.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, now. I think we just need to do a little tapping around the keyboard area and the screen. All right, sir. We just need to do some tapping on the screen.
That good? Have we fixed it yet?
Not yet. The screen might need a little more tapping. Oh, that's the LCD right there.
So give that a tap.
Just a little tap. So,
Is that better?
that's okay, but now let me do my work. Alright, I gotta do my work now. So we gotta pry off the back cover. Get it in under here.
Oh, yep.
Oh, and now that part's done. That's the most trickiest part of the repair. Now, as you can see, the plastic is basically metal in this computer, because this one last took me 3 months to repair, and I'm only charging this guy 10 grand. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the Wi-Fi card, so he has better Wi-Fi, because at his house, no signal at all. Now I'm just going to fix the Wi-Fi card for him, because that's what I didn't do last time.
Do you need some help with that? Do you need some help prying off the back?
Yes, please. If you can use that, what one would you like to use?
Crowbar.
And I'll use the hammer and we'll just do this here. Go.
Okay.
Alright, the back plate's off. Now it's time for the final step. The run over.
Alright.
Would you like to do the honours?
I would.
Alright.
Move the hammer out of the way.
Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.